Thank you for joining me again on another episode of Neco Questions. Now, we have some of these questions. We have dealt with this, so I think we can clear this off. Dealt with this. We'll move to the next question so that to avoid things being so much, so I don't want to stop everything at a goal. So we go now. Question 2 says two observers P and Q 15 meters apart observe a kite in the same vertical plane and from the same side of the kite. In the same vertical plane and from the same side of the kite. So let's assume we have a kite here. Two guys are looking, or two observers. One is at P, one is at they now said that both of them are 15 centimeters apart, right? Now, the angles of elevation of the kite from P and Q are 35 degrees and 45 degrees respectively. Don't forget the meaning of angles of elevation. I don't know if I've made a video on that. I have this. I have this. So we are having something like this. So this is P, this is Q. So this one is 35. 35 and 45. So this is 45. You get this? So then we solve. This one form a triangle. So I haven't done that. Let me have a proper drawing. This is just a sketch. Then let me just have something a bit better than what has been drawn. So that's an idea of how you will sketch it. So here now I can now decide to have this. So this is P. This is Q. And this is where the kite is formed. This is 35. This is 45. This is 15. This place, if I consider the whole of this place to be x, so this will be x minus 15. Yes. Let me call this k. So qk is x minus 15. So what are we looking for here? We are looking for find the height. Okay, good. We're looking for height. So what do we do? Compare them. Opposite over hypotenuse. For 35, we're going to be having something like this. The whole triangle. Let me call this S. So we consider triangle PSK. Consider triangle PSK. So what are we going to have? Let me write it, considering triangle PSK. Opposites over adjacent tan 35 will be equals to h, the height upon the whole distance is x for the whole triangle. That this is considered triangle, this is triangle PSK. Then the second one, consider triangle QSK. Considering triangle PSK. QSK now. Sorry about that. QSK, what do we have? We have tan 45 to be equal to opposite, which is h, upon, I will call this equation 1, h over x minus 5. Isn't it? This becomes equation 2. Do you observe equation 1 and equation 2? They both have height. So which means, and of course their height is the same thing. So height and height. So make each side of formula from the two equations. From equation 1, height will be equal to tan 45 times x. So tan 45, tan 35 times x. And at the same time, from equation 2, h can also be equal to tan 45 times x minus 5. And that means h is equal to this, h is equal to this. That means tan 35 times x can be equal to tan 45 times x minus 5. And tan 35. So this implies that tan 35x can be equal to tan 45 times x minus 15. So what do we have here? Tan 35 is that is 0.70. So 0.70x can be equal to tan 45 is 1, so that is still x minus 15. So let me work here. So collecting like terms, we have 0.70x minus x. That will be equal to minus 15. 0.70x minus x, that's like 0.70 minus 1. 0.7 minus 1, that will be minus 0.3x can be equal to minus 15. Divide both sides by minus 0.3. So this cancel this. So x can be equal to 15 divided by 0.3. That is 50. X is equal to 50. So having gotten x, don't forget minus, cancel out minus, and then 15 divided by 0.3 is 50. So having gotten x here, we can get our h. Yes. So considering Now considering triangle SQK, from there this is QSK. 50 minus 15, that is 35. This becomes 35. This is still 45. And this is H. So I can say tan opposite over adjacent and 45 can be equal to H height upon 35. So H is equal to tan 45 times times 35. So that means H, the height, will be 1 times 35. And that will be equal to 35 meters. So that's the second question solved. Thank you for joining me.